Ever wondered what the future holds for IT resource management? Dive into the predictions and trends that are set to shape the landscape. In today's fast-paced tech environment, IT resource management is pivotal. Let's explore the future predictions and trends that will redefine its dynamics. Predictions. Firstly, automation will be a game-changer, simplifying tasks and boosting efficiency. With AI and machine learning, expect smarter resource allocation and forecasting. Trends. Collaboration tools will surge, fostering seamless communication and project tracking. Additionally, cloud-based solutions will dominate, offering scalability and flexibility like never before. The future of IT resource management is exciting, with technology playing a crucial role in its evolution. Stay ahead by embracing these trends and predictions. Craving more insights? Visit Whizible's blog for the full scoop on IT resource management's future. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you for watching.